The gym floor was the original 1972 wood, and over the years we sanded it to refinish it, but it had been sanded so many times that the wood was too thin and it could not be sanded again. So it was really at the end of its lifespan. The biggest improvement has been new bleachers that are very high quality with expanded seating capacity, and also we really like the aesthetic design of the floor itself.
So we included the gym in the referendum for a bunch of reasons. The first thing is for those people who have been in the stands, you know that our stands were old. In many cases they were broken, and honestly they don't even make that type of bleacher anymore, so it was getting harder and harder to replace the broken seats. And I think the other thing is in the referendum, we wanted to be able to take our gym, which is one of the largest gyms in Bergen County, and do our best to showcase to the rest of the county how nice that facility was. And this was a great opportunity to do that.
The main gym should be open by the end of September. We're really excited about our new turf complex. We feel like it lends itself to sports teams for indoor practices or for PE classes using it for things like speed and agility drills. The indoor turf field should be open as early as next week.
So in the high school, the next place to go is going to be the locker room. And if you take a look, one of the things is that we're going to renovate our locker room. We're going to create a team room. And hopefully, if things go to plan, we're also going to create a space to put the cardio equipment that was once in that new turf facility. And what we're going to do is we're eliminating the senior hallway, we're eliminating the lockers in the senior hallway, and we're extending our locker room facility so that it butts up directly to the actual main gym.
We have a lot of other exciting projects happening because of the referendum. Those include redoing the auditorium sometime in the spring, probably after the spring musical, as well as replacing all of the HVAC systems in the old wing.